Hey everybody, it's Dave from daveswreaths and things. Now, have you ever tried to look for something at the Dollar Tree and you're looking and looking and looking and you keep going back and back and back and back and they still don't have it? So, a little while ago, before the lockdown here in Ontario, I was looking for the block towers. And I think it's 4 Dollar Trees close to where I live, within about a half-hour driving distance. And I went to all of them, all of the time, never block towers. So just before lockdown, I was lucky enough to find 4. Now, they are the mini block towers, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to buy them anyways. So I bought all 4 of them. I was really excited. And now I'm going to show you what I came up with. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to jump right into that video. Have fun, and I'll see you on the other side. So here's the block towers that I was talking about. It's just the mini ones. It has a dark color and a lighter color. And I'm also using a square frame and my glue gun and glue sticks. So I open up my first 2 packages. And all I'm really going to do is I have just laid down all the blocks all around me. And I'm just winging it, really. As you can see here, I kind of started and I thought, you know, that's not how I want to start. I had a piece that I had glued 3 little pieces together first. And I thought, yeah, I'm going to start with this. So with this project, I bought 4 packages of the mini block tower game from the Dollar Tree. And for this project here, I ended up using only 3 of them. And for the last project that you'll see, I did a mini project, I used 1. So in total, to create the 2 separate pieces of the block tower wall art, I used 4 of the tower games. Now, what I'm doing is, unfortunately, off to the side, sometimes I don't know why I did it, I glued off camera a couple of pieces together and you'll see me come back and forth. I guess my camera angle was off a little bit that day, so I apologize for that. But really, I'm not planning anything. I'm just kind of winging it, flying by the seat of my pants, and just gluing everything down. Sometimes you'll see I add them together and then put them on the frame, just such that they can overlap the edge. What I wanted to do was I wanted to cover the canvas frame as much as possible, such that you don't really see it when you hang it up. And here I'm just kind of creating a 3D effect as well, trying it all different ways, gluing that all together, moving it around, seeing what looks good. And really, that's all it is. I'm just kind of winging it. I'm pretty much almost done at this point, and I'm just moving it all around. And of course, here we are, the final result. It's our 3D block tower wall art. I love how this turned out. And there's the canvas. I'm showing you the canvas here. I just love how this turned out. And of course, the wonderful part about this is you can hang it any which way, on an angle like this. You can hang it this way, or you can turn it around, hang it the other way. It's a versatile piece of art, let's put it that way. I'm just so happy with how it came together. So like I said previously, the previous project I used 3 block tower games, and I had 1 left over, and I thought, let's just do something. Didn't really have an idea in mind. I thought, let's just kind of roll with it. So I just take 1 piece, put some glue down, take another piece, put it beside it, offset it a little bit, and then I just kind of continued from there, adding my pieces, gluing them together, making it a little bit 3D as well as I add pieces on, and I just continue onward and making my little wall art. Part 2. I'm down to my last few pieces here, and I just love how this turned out. I was just so happy with it. And again, you know, our little 3D wall art, you can turn it around, hang it any which way you like. I just love how these guys turned out. They just totally made me smile. Just such an easy little craft to do. And here's the two of them all put together. I actually like how the two of them came together. I just love how this turned out, and I hope you did as well. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a comment, hit that like button, and maybe subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.